Hello guys, this is the last video in the last section of genetics. We are doing pedigree diagrams. If you can please go to page 99 in your textbooks. Okay, now pedigree diagrams show the pedigree or the lineage. In other words, the line of descent that links individuals to their ancestors through genetic information. Scientists use pedigree diagrams to show the probability of offspring inheriting a genetic disorder or trait. Okay, so now if we look at figure 530, okay, this is an example of a pedigree diagram. There's usually a key, okay, the squares are the males, the circles are the females. Here we see we have a male grandparent and a female grandparent. When there's a line in between them, it means they will breed or they are mated. Okay, and they will then give rise to the offspring, which comes off that middle line, and then you have these forked-like extensions. Okay, so you will know that's the offspring. Only when there's a line between the male and the female do we know they are mated. Okay, and there's the offspring again. So we have 3 generations being shown here. Okay, generation 1, 2, and 3. Right, now whatever trait we are looking for or genetic disorder, that will be shaded. Okay, so for instance, if we're looking at how blue eyes are passed on to offspring, then the shaded one would be all those individuals with blue eyes. The unshaded one could be something like brown eyes. Right, okay. Now on page 100, these are the steps that you need to follow when interpreting a pedigree diagram. Okay, so firstly, there will be some sort of opening statement. Okay, here's an example, 5.3.1 on page 100. Obviously, you always need to read that. This one says, the diagram below shows the pedigree of 2 rabbit families. The allele for black fur is dominant over the allele for white fur. So we're looking at the trait of fur color. The squares represent males and the circles females. The shaded symbols represent black fur and the unshaded white fur. What you have to do is state the genotype of each rabbit labeled A to K. Okay, so now we're going to follow steps 1. We've already read through the extra information. Step 2, we now fill in the phenotype. Okay, so the description in words, and it's either going to be male or female and black fur or white fur. Right, so I've redrawn figure 5.3.1 because we need to fill in information. Okay, so we said the shaded is black and the square is male. So male, black. This is female, white. Okay, so here we filled in all the phenotypes. I will continue with this example in the next video.